black mini refrigerator by RCA. This fridge is perfect for a small office, dorm room, kitchen, or playroom. The inside area of the fridge is generous, allowing you to organize your food and drinks. The thermostat control allows you to maintain your drinks and food at the ideal temperature. The reversible door and adjustable feet allow you to put this unit in any location.
The Canned Beverage Cooler by Colzer. This cooler has the capability to hold up to 130 cans. Adjust the cooler to your needs with our easy-to-use digital touch controls. The cooler also features a double-paned tempered glass door and soft close magnet seals for ease of closing. The cooler is not only powerful, but it is also quiet, so you can spend time caring about your friends, your company, and not about the noise.
Today we're going to demo the NewAir Beverage Froster, also known as the beer froster. And this isn't just your average fridge, it has a host of features that make this the ultimate entertaining go-to appliance. So the first things first, this fridge gets down to 23 degrees, the coldest on the market. It's so cold that it's hard to hold a can for too long. It gives it that nice, icy, cold, refreshing taste. It's also so cold that we had to add a heated glass door. That way, you always know what's inside, and the frost doesn't interfere with this beautiful, sleek look. If you've ever forgot to put drinks in a fridge before guests arrive, then turbo mode is for you. It turns on the compressor into high gear, brings the temperature down to 23 degrees, and keeps it there for an hour long. That way, your drinks get from lukewarm to icy cold just like that. If you've ever experienced thirsty partygoers opening and closing the door all party long, letting all the cold air out, then you want to use party mode. This brings the compressor all the way down to 23 degrees for 6 hours straight. That way, no matter how many times the door is open, it's always going to stay cold inside. Lastly, it has this nice little LED light, which is super bright, so you can show off your collection in this beautiful beverage froster.